I decided to work at Atherton Community School because when I came for the job and I had my interview, as well as being interviewed by staff and the head teacher, I was also interviewed by the pupils. So that was nice because I got a feel of what the pupils kind of represent and their kind of opinion on things and who they wanted to work in kind of their school.
I'd heard some really nice things about the school and the fact that it was starting from fresh, and I wanted to be part of something new and a journey with the school.
I remember the day of my interview, and I remember the atmosphere when I first came in. Everyone welcomed me, students, teachers, everyone was really kind.
What's unique about our school is we have a dedicated staff with strong team values who work extremely hard for all the pupils in our care. Our staff are passionate in order to ensure that pupils succeed, and they're prepared to go the extra mile. Every pupil really does matter here.
The school's different in many different ways. The main factor would be that it has a family value about it.
Everyone's really close because it's such a small team. The staff are really close and the pupils, we get on with them really well. You know, we sit and eat with them at dinner and we learn about them as individuals rather than just in our subject areas.
I think it's that strong feeling of community and fellowship. We all know each other. Even though this is my first year, I think I already know pretty much everyone. And I can feel that in the corridors, I can feel that every time, that there's this sense of family and the sense of trust that is going on among students and teachers.
Personally, from my role, from being a teaching assistant, is having that presence in a classroom and also being able to join in using my knowledge and aid and assist the students that I'm working with. So I'd say from my personal role, I'd say it's very important to me and to all the members, the other teaching assistants, that we are involved and we are not separate from the teachers. Although we have a different job role, we are treated equally, and we collaborate together in order to, stimulate the learning of the pupils.
Because it's so small, we're really engaged with our parents and our students. We all work really well together. Even like school productions, everyone gets involved. It's not just the English department. Anything we do down in maths, everyone gets involved, and it's really nice, and it's because we're such a small knit community. It's lovely.
Well, in my lessons, what I try to do is to make them talk, because this is languages. In languages, if you are on the street, you're going to talk to people. So I want to enthuse students by talking and by having fun.
From my point of view, from the students that I work with, is finding what suits them, what catering for their needs, because every child has different needs, and I think if you develop a relationship with that student or students, you understand what works for them best, what they are interested in,